What's up guys, welcome back to the Phono Guy, and in this video I am going to do a water test of Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. And you can see I have the phone in my hands, and I also have a bowl you can see right now, and it is full of water, and I will be putting this phone into this water for almost 30 minutes plus to see if this can survive this water test. It is actually IP68 rating, and I am sure that this phone is going to survive this long. So after I am just going to put this phone into the water, but before that let me show you that this phone is working well. You can see everything is just working smooth and perfect on this phone, and I am just going to start the stopwatch to let you know the time at the end. And you can see right now we are just have started the stopwatch, and I will be just putting this phone into the water. Now without any further delay, let's put this phone into the water bowl, but let first also have a look at the time. Again, you can see the stopwatch is running. Let me just reset the stopwatch again for you guys, and we are just putting the phone into this water, and we will see for almost 30 plus minutes if this phone can survive the water test or not. You can see right now the phone is in the water, and it will be there for almost half an hour, and I will be testing the things after that. And you can see it is just not working inside the water, maybe due to kind of dispersal of the charges. So the phone inside the water is itself not working, but after we will bring the phone out, we will see if it is working properly or not. So up till that time, stay tuned in the video and keep watching the video to let you know that if this phone is survives the water test or not. Reassure the things again, I am just having a look at the phone, and right now I have just pressed the power button. You can see it just turned on, and the screen is not working. I am just trying to put my finger on the phone, but it is not working. So let's be it there for a while, and after that we will have a look on it again. I have already posted the unboxing of this phone. You can check that out on my channel, and I will be posting many other videos of this phone, the speed test, camera review, and the gaming review, as well as many other videos. And if you want some specific kind of video about this phone, you can ask me in the comment section down below, and for those videos I highly recommend you to subscribe to the channel, and let this phone be here in the water for a while, and I will be just back to see if this phone has survived the water test or not. So guys, almost half an hour has passed, so I will be bringing this phone out now. You can see the phone is actually working now. As soon as the phone is out of the water, the screen is working, and the fingerprint scanner, I was trying if it is working or not. So let me just bring this phone out of the water to check if this phone is properly working or not. And right now it is just in the water, and I am trying to see if the things work in the water or not. The power button itself is working, but the fingerprint scanner in the water was not working. So let's see how well this phone does in the water and outside the water. Actually only the power button is working in the water, and no other thing is actually found working. So let it be here for some extra time, and I will just be bringing this phone shortly. And let's just bring this phone out now, and I think it's over for this phone. So let this phone be out, and I am just removing the water which is in the ports. You can see lots of water is coming out of the ports right now. And first of all, the power button itself is working, and the fingerprint scanner all of a sudden started working, and everything on the screen is just smooth and perfect. Everything is just going great on this phone. So there is no damage to the phone. I think externally and internally everything is just working smooth and perfect. Let me just dry this phone up, and I will be bringing this phone back into the camera as soon as it is dry. And you can see guys, now the phone is dry and it is actually working, and the sound itself is coming great out of the phone. You can hear the sound clearly. Everything is just perfect on the device. So there is no damage to the phone. It is actually IP68 rating, and the camera, you can see battery itself is working great. So guys, this was the water test of Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. And up till next video, bye bye and peace.